Despite a growing drive towards greater environmental sustainability, much of the public remains ignorant of how heating contributes to their carbon footprint. New research reveals that over 90% of people are unaware of how environmentally friendly their heating providers really are, challenging the belief that motor vehicles and farming are the bulk contributors to carbon emissions. It's clear there is a need for more sustainable ways of heating our homes. One such alternative to standard heating could be hydrogen heating, an innovative method which produces zero carbon dioxide and monoxide.
My name's Jeff House. I'm Head of External Affairs for Baxi Heating UK. We have legislation, we have a legally mandated target to achieve net zero carbon emissions across the entire economy by 2050. Heating our homes and businesses and commercial buildings accounts for roughly 1/3 of overall UK carbon dioxide emissions. Unabated natural gas burning is incompatible with that 2050 goal. 85% of the UK housing stock is connected to the natural gas grid and use natural gas for heating and hot water provision. So that's roughly 22 million homes, to put a number on it. So the energy content within natural gas actually comes from hydrogen anyway. So you've got a carbon element, which we don't like because it's the nasty stuff we release into the atmosphere when it's burnt, and then you've got 4 hydrogen elements, CH4. Hydrogen is very, very similar to natural gas in that we bring a gas into your home, you then combust that in an appliance and then use it to produce heat. By removing carbon and removing carbon dioxide as a potential case, the safety case has improved dramatically over that of natural gas. There are 2 sources of hydrogen that would sort of come forward as being viable options. One of which is green hydrogen, and that is production of hydrogen by using renewable electricity, so from wind and solar power, to split water. So from a sustainability point of view, green hydrogen is where it's at, and that will be, the future. The other one is what we call blue hydrogen, and that would be steam methane reformation, or SMR. You take natural gas or liquid natural gas, run that through a steam scrubbing process to remove the carbon element which we don't want. That carbon element is then stored and captured, and then you have hydrogen entering the grid. This is significant UK investment. So we're a major UK manufacturer in the heating industry. We've been around for 150 years. We intend to be around for another 150 years, and the intent is to leave the entire UK economy and the industry and the environment in a better position than when we first found it.
For more information, go to baxiheating.co.uk.